Welcome into the video. I'm your tech guy Wayne, and today I want to show you how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you'll need to do is tap on your phone app, and you want to go to the dialer and type in *#06 and finally pound. That's going to show us our IMEI. You'll want to write down the IMEI, the first number at the top of the screen here. We're going to use that in the next step of the video. Then we're going to go home and we're going to go to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and we're just going to fill out a few prompts, starting with the manufacturer, which is going to be Samsung. And then the model is going to be the Galaxy Z Flip 6. So we're under the G's, Galaxy, go down to Galaxy Z Flip 6. We're going to tap unlock phone. Here's our model. Now we're going to select the country that we purchased the phone in, and for us it's going to be the United States. The carrier is going to be AT&T. And then you want to enter your IMEI right here by just tapping in the box, the first number we got in the first step of the video. From there, we're going to tap add to cart, checkout, pay, and then it's going to give you a delivery window right here, which is it's telling us it can take anywhere from 1 hour to 72 hours for them to send you a reply email with your unlocking instructions. Keep in mind that the process to unlock phones does change from time to time, so that's why the delivery window varies, but they tend to deliver much closer to that first number, which is the 1 hour mark. Now, I want to point out a few things. At the top of the website, you are going to get a few different ways to contact the company in case you have any issues. There is a phone number to call, a number to text, an email address, and there's a WhatsApp support number. So if you've run past your delivery window and you still haven't gotten a response, or if you run into any other issues, feel free to just reach out to the company and they can help you through one of those contact methods. Once you get those unlocking instructions and you follow them, you're good to go. Now, right now I have my T-Mobile SIM card right here that I'm ready to pop into the phone. Now, you will need a SIM tool to take out your old SIM card and put in the new one. This is what a SIM tool looks like. Now, guess what? You'll normally find this in the box of your phone. Some of you might have thrown it away not knowing what it was, which is no problem. You can always find a paper clip and simply bend it back. And you can use this to pop out the old SIM card and put in the new SIM card. All right. Hope you guys found this helpful. If it was, hit that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.